Over the last few years, Trump has become more and more aware of how Christians not only worship Jesus, but of their loyalty to Jesus. They admire Jesus in so many ways and look forward to the day when he returns. Trump wants this for himself. He craves for this same type of worship and loyalty that Christians bestow upon Jesus. He may not believe that Jesus is his Savior, but he is seeking to replace Jesus in the hearts and minds of his followers. In addition to the overwhelming desire for loyalty and to be worshipped, there's also a darker force at play, either behind Trump or part and parcel of his personality. In fact, over the years, we've had numerous people talk not just about how exceedingly vain or dishonest or vile Trump is, but how they believed he was truly evil. For example, Tony Schwartz was the ghostwriter on Trump's Art of the Deal, and he said this: Trump is not only willing to lie, but he doesn't get bothered by it, doesn't feel guilty about it, isn't preoccupied by it. There's an emptiness inside Trump. There's an absence of a soul. Schwartz added, Trump is the most purely evil human being I've ever met. Another example is General John Kelly, who served as White House Chief of Staff from July 2017 to January 2019. Kelly referred to Trump as a very, very evil man after recounting a story in which Trump made explicit sexual comments about his own daughter. Trump is not a particularly smart man, but he's smart enough to know that the vast majority of his supporters love and worship Jesus Christ. And he wants all of this love and worship for himself.